The amazing trading strategy that we have developed for use with Quotex relies on the powerful capabilities of the Binary Sniper Pro indicator, which is recognized as one of the most effective binary options indicators available today. This particular indicator plays a crucial role in our trading success, and it is important to understand what it does and why it has proven to be profitable for traders like us. The Binary Sniper Pro indicator utilizes a sophisticated binary systems algorithm that is specifically designed to detect potential market reversals within very short time frames, particularly during 1-minute trading durations. This rapid detection allows us to capitalize on fleeting opportunities in the market, leading to timely and informed trading decisions. In fact, we have experienced significant success in our previous trades, including profitable outcomes with currency pairs such as AUD-CAD, which resulted in a winning trade, and AUD-USD, which also performed exceptionally well. Additionally, we saw favorable results with the Euro-USD pair, securing another win. However, it is worth noting that not every trade has resulted in profit. For instance, our trade with USD-CHF ended up being a losing trade. Regardless of this setback, the overall strategy has contributed positively to our balance, primarily due to the consistent and strategic application of the Binary Sniper Pro indicator. The effectiveness of this indicator in identifying trends and reversals makes it an invaluable tool for traders seeking to enhance their profitability. For those interested in trying out this powerful indicator for themselves, please see the description below to download the indicator and start your journey towards more successful trading. I will show you in detail how to trade effectively using the indicator. First, we will wait for the indicator to pop up with signals. Take a closer look at CAD-JPY, which has generated a sell alert signal. This indicates a high probability that the trend will shift downward in the upcoming minutes. Now, let's closely examine the CAD-JPY chart to determine. Upon reviewing the chart, it reveals that there is a long trend candle moving upward. We are utilizing a 1-minute candle time frame for our analysis, and in this type of situation, there is a greater chance that the trend may reverse. Additionally, the GBP/USD has received a buy alert signal. This presents another opportunity worth considering in our trading strategy. Let's go trade higher. See the rest of the videos and don't forget to like and follow us to get the latest methods trading with Quotex and other trading brokers. AUD-CAD has a buy alert signal, but we will not have to trade with it, due to its low profit in return.